All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Mustang. It is the premium package black with black leather interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, heated and cooling seats. Navigation system, it is the 5.0 with 14,000 miles, folks. Let's check out your front bumper. That looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this. And your tire thread here is under 7/32 above 4. This door looks good. This rear quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this. And your tire thread is under 7/32. Here's a nice shot of your what your soft top convertible looks like. Your rear passenger seat looks good. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. This is a powered seat. You got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors. Jump into this car real quick. Turn it on for you guys. It does come with 2 key fob combos and a valet key and owner's manual. So check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right there. You got your Navi system. Pow. Got your AC controls right down below. You got your heated and cooling seats right there. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and there's your mileage of 14,359. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. We open the trunk. Keeping it moving. Rear bumper looks good. Your rear trunk definitely looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, I'm sure. This quarter looks pretty damn nice. It's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire third back here is under 7/32 above 4. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Your rear passenger seat, likewise, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread here is under 7/32 above 4. I'm gonna turn on those fog lights. Give me 1 second. Okay. All right, folks. They are all working. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Mustang convertible 5.0 with 14,000 miles, black with black leather interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, navigation, heated and cooling seats, fog lights, super nice. Only 14,000 miles on this vehicle. Any questions, concerns, do not hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.